assassin, Ray Kendrick, high definition Steve Green, and the infamous icon, Joey Silvia. And ladies and gentlemen, the special teams coach tonight, Roy Wilkins.
Right here, he did. Don't worry about it, Joey.
And ladies and gentlemen, please welcome their opponents tonight. The tag team of Jason Miller and the Chiba Kid.
Joey Silvia, I see you have your all-star team out there. If anything, y'all did teach me to have a great team. But you see, Joey, the most important thing I learned when I was with y'all is that I'm better than you, Joey Silvia. I'm absolutely better than you. Introduce me, Randolph.
Brother, come on.
The best.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new infamous icon, Trevor Lee!
Please don't push my back, that takes a while. You're violating my team, I'm moving out.
Project. You got it, Joey. That's right, Joey.
That's it for his icon right there.
Go ahead, Steve. Get some, Steve. Well, I want him, Steve. Joey?
How do you stay? How's he wearing your shorts?
This is how we wait. Come on, Trevor!
What is that?
Don't touch me! Get him! Keep it back!
Ladies and gentlemen, your winners by pinfall, 14 minutes, 50 seconds. Jason Miller, the Chiva Kid, and the new infamous icon, Trevor Lee!
Joey, baby. Joey, get some water, bro.